If you've ever tried to post a tweet or refresh your timeline on X, formerly Twitter, and seen the dreaded "oops, something went wrong" error, don't panic. Most people get this wrong by immediately uninstalling the app or blaming their account, but here's the truth. This error usually has simple fixes. First, check your internet connection. You won't believe how often weak Wi-Fi or mobile data causes this error. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it resolves the issue. Next, clear the app cache. On Android, go to Settings Apps, X Storage Clear Cache. On iOS, you might need to uninstall and reinstall the app to clear temporary data. If that doesn't work, log out and log back into your account. This refreshes the session and often fixes minor glitches. Sometimes, the error is caused by server issues on XSN. You can check platforms like Down Detector to see if other users are experiencing the same problem. In this case, patience is key. Most errors resolve within a few hours. Lastly, make sure your app is updated. Updated versions of X can cause compatibility issues that trigger this error. The surprising truth is that "oops, something went wrong" rarely means your account is broken. Following these steps usually fixes it within minutes. If this guide helped you resolve the error quickly, subscribe for more tech troubleshooting tips and app guides.